Hello everyone, welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News for a Thursday night. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about the weather, and it was sure nice to be able to look out the side or out the windows today and actually see across to the hills that weren't obscured by smoke. That's a good sign. It looks like it's going to continue into the weekend, and we're looking for a really great weekend. Temperatures are getting warm, close to 80 degrees too. We'll tell you about that in just a little bit. Here's our photograph tonight. This one's sent in by Kyla Nolan. Another Fairbanks midnight sun photograph. A beautiful shot there with the reds and the oranges. And as always, if you have a photograph that you want to share, we'll be sure and send it to photos at ktvf11.com, and we'll be more than happy to share it with the rest of the audience. Your numbers, 66 for the high day, currently 64. The low last night, 53. The record high was 87. That was in 1915. In 1934, dropping down to 38 for the overnight low. Sunrise and sunset, about 20 hours and 47 minutes, almost a loss of 6 minutes from yesterday. How about that? On the satellite and radar, just a few pockets of moisture here and there moving across Kodiak Island, a few pockets along the Alaska Range, but nothing really going on in the Fairbanks area. And as far as what's happening across the rest of the state, well, cloudy skies at Juneau, nice day in Ketchikan, 70 degrees there, down around the Anchorage Bowl, 60 degrees at Anchorage, kind of cool, 55 at Kodiak. Cold Bay at 53. Up and down the west coast, temperatures ranging, well, actually pretty consistent. 58 degrees for Bethel and Nome, 44 at Barrow, and a little warmer today at Fort Yukon, 66 degrees. Lower 48 weather, and what's going on with that heat wave they've been having? Well, another hot day, and they're expecting tomorrow to be the heat wave finally breaking. 85 at Salt Lake City, 84 in Seattle. Not quite 100 degrees in Las Vegas today. It was for Phoenix, 82 at Denver, 92 in Dallas. Not a whole lot of activity going on over the eastern half of the country. We're looking at 77 at Chicago, New York only 79, but 92 degrees in Washington, D.C. Another hot day in Atlanta, New Orleans, and Miami. On the satellite and radar, well, a lot of the moisture we had yesterday is just about out of the picture now. Just a few bands moving across, nothing really severe to talk about. More activity moving out over California. In fact, thunderstorms last night brought a lot of lightning to the San Joaquin Valley, and the showers are even working their way up toward the Seattle area. What's it all mean for tomorrow? Well, it looks like a pleasant Friday. Things are going to be getting cooler finally. The heat wave will be breaking, and cooler Pacific air moving in off the Pacific Ocean. The jet stream once again moving from west to east, and not really bulging anywhere, so no real hot temperatures expected. It'll be warm across the nation's central sections, but thunderstorms across the Great Lakes too. Now, as far as what lies ahead for tomorrow, well, partly cloudy skies at Barrow, cloudy skies in Nome, and then we're looking at mostly sunny skies for Fort Yukon with 70 degrees at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, for the most part, partly cloudy skies at Fairbanks, a few showers for Delta Junction, and isolated thunderstorms are possible in the Healy area. Over southeast Alaska, looks like for the most part, rainy periods at Juneau and some scattered showers at Ketchikan. While over to the southwest, a slight chance for rain for Cold Bay, rain likely for Kodiak, and scattered showers for Bethel. And if you're heading on down to the Anchorage Bowl, looking at for the most part scattered clouds at Anchorage and Valdez with cloudy skies for Homer. And it is a Thursday night, which means it's time for our fishing report. And as you can see here, fishing conditions are not too bad. Valdez, well, again, halibut fishing is really good. And lots of pinks are being caught. There's really a lot of a pink influx going on down there. On the Kenai River, no kings through July 31st. That is still in effect. Reds are still very hot, though. 6 reds a day, not too bad. And some silvers are starting to arrive, but no kings are allowed on the Parks Highway. Okay, here's what's going on with our forecast tonight. Cloudy skies, some light smoke, maybe a shower possible, 52 degrees the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast, partly cloudy, some smoke, a little warmer. And the 5-day outlook, looking in through the weekend, not too bad, 77, 76 on Saturday and Sunday. Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday cooling down to 75. Some showers are possible on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, just in the form of afternoon showers, the normal thing you get this time of year. And the overnight lows, pretty consistent right across the board, 55 degrees. It looks like a great weekend setting up.